marami sa inyo nakakala natin. Alam niyo po ba yung One Call Away?
Yes!
Paano niyo ba akong sabayan?
Yes!
Okay lang yun? Okay lang yun? Okay. Sana po magustuhan niyo po. Thank you. I'm only one
Yes!
call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman, pero I'm only one call away. Call me, baby, if you need. I just want to give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. And where you go, I know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman, pero I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't escape. I just want to set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me can make it anywhere. And now we can stay for a while. 'Cause you know I just want to see you smile. No matter where you go, no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Yes, Superman, I know. There's no way. I'm only one call away. Here we go. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. Yeah, I'm gonna keep holding on. Yeah, now don't you worry, it won't be long, darling. When the midnight home is gone, just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got me. I'm only one. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got love. I'm only one call away. I'm only one call away.
Yes! Woo! Galing!
Maraming salamat po. Pero po bago po ako bumaba dito sa stage na to, gusto ko muna po sabihin sa inyo na itong congressman po natin ay napakabait. Alam niyo po ba yun?
Yes!
Gwapo rin din po, di ba?
Yes!
Okay. Ipoto po natin si Congressman Ernest Junicio sa May 9, 2016. At syempre po, pag binoto po natin siya, kailangan po natin iboto ang Team Asenso Manaleno at ang Team Ernest Junicio. Okay lang po ba yun?
Yes!
Okay lang?
Yes!
Okay. Sana po iboto po natin sila. Maraming salamat po. Asenso Manaleno.
Ayan, so idol daw. Palakpakan naman po natin, John Carlo Tan, kauna-unahan pong champion ng Genesis Time. At